Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the electric heater by Mia Coco. Oh yeah, it's an energy-saving 2000 watt power heating machine with turbo fan, 24 hours timer, Convector heater, electric, 3 levels, heat settings, and it's an electric heater suitable for the living room, the bedroom, the office, and where you like. 24 hours timer. That's a cool thing. A programmable timer, a manually programmable timer that presets the desired heating interval between 24 hours. The device automatically turns on or off when the set shut-off time is exceeded. The Mia Coco converter is more intelligent and energy efficient than conventional heaters out there. We can save up to 50% on heating costs at only 0.3 euro per kilowatt hour per hour, of course. 2 kW, 3 heating settings. The electric heater is recommended for heating an area of 20 square meters. Heat output set from 750 watt to 1250 watt, and when both switches are turned on at the same time, a maximum power of 2000 watt is on. The built-in thermostat automatically shuts off the convector when the set temperature is reached and turns it on again when it is below, which leads to further energy saving and increases the comfort. And it's a 360 degrees fast heater. Quiet, and it is comfortable. Made of high quality electric heating wires, the built-in turbofan creates a natural suction and thus creates a continuous hot airflow of 360 degrees in all directions that heats the entire room faster. When the fan function is turned off, the operation is quiet and so silent. It's, of course, the ventilator, the fan will gain the speed of the heating up of the entire room, but you will hear a fan, of course. If you dislike it because you like to go to sleep or something else, or it has to be quiet, turn it off. No prob. Mia Coco let us perform like we need this. And suitable for many spaces. The power heater has wreathed carrying handles on both sides and a lower bracket for easy recording and transport, and it can be taken anywhere for heating. The dimensions are 58.5 to 20 to 42 centimeters. The weight is only 3.4 kilograms. Lightweight and safe. The modern and stylish design is perfect for the living room, the bedroom, the bathroom, the office, the garage, the hotel, or other interiors. The convector is made of a metal housing, a flame-retardant power cable, and a European standard plug to avoid electric shocks and electric fires. In addition, the on and off indicator light clearly shows the operation status of the electric radiator. The finely gripped air outlet is not accessible and suitable for use near children and, of course, pets too. So you can let your elephant in the near of your electric heater. No prob. Of course, your pet and your cat and your dog too. No prob for it, baby. Of course, you should take a little bit of care because if you make the maximum power of it, it will be hot at the surface of this electric heater, of course. So take care a little bit. And we have the heater switches, 2 of them. That means we can switch between 1250 watt, 2750, as you like. You can choose it easily. Of course, you can switch on the fan, and you have a thermostat knob from minimum to maximum as you like. And then, of course, the heater switches. We turn the thermostat knob clockwise. That means in the right direction until it reaches the maximum settings. The knob needs to be turned past the minimum settings until we hear a clicking noise in order to operate the fan only. 750 watt is low heat, or 1250 watt is middle heat settings. And of course 750 plus 1250 high heat settings. This is 2000. We turn the fan heater switch button to shut off the unit, for example, or we can switch it on. Because we have a fan operation too. This is operated by means of the switch, the fan symbol along the side it. The fan will only operate with the thermostat in the on position and can be used when the heating elements are on to blow warm air into our rooms. In warm conditions, the fan can be used with the heating element off to blow cool air into the room. So you can see, you can make this in the summertime and of course in wintertime too. We choose a suitable location for the heater, taking it into account of the safety instruction, of course, and we insert the plug of the heater into a suitable socket. We turn the thermostat knob fully in a clockwise direction to the maximum settings. We turn on the heating elements by means of the heater switches. When the heating elements are on, the switches will illuminate it. For maximum heat output, both switches should be on. When the desired room temperature has been reached, the thermostat knob should be turned slowly anti-clockwise until the thermostat is here to a click off sound, and the element switches are seen to go out. After this, the heater will keep the air temperature in that room at the set level by switching on and off automatically. And with a timer function, this model fitted with a 24-hour timer, which has 96 segments around its circumferences, each segment being equivalent to 15 minutes of time. With the aid of this timer, it is possible to preset the time and the duration of the periods that is desired. The heater will operate in any 24 hours period. So, the center of the timer has a 3-position slide switch. In the center position, denoted by the clock symbol, the timer will be switched the heater on and off at times set by the segments, okay? And the position denoted by the I is the timer override position. The timer will continue to run, but the power will be fed continuous to the heater. This enables the heater to be on all the time if required. In the position denoted by the O, the timer continues to run, but not power is fed to the heater itself. So you can see we have to set the timer. We ensure the slide switch on the timer is the mid position next to the clock symbol. We rotate the outer ring of the timer in a clockwise direction until the current time is lined up with the arrow pointer. If the time of the timer is being set at 8 p.m., for example, we rotate the outer ring until the number 20 is in line with the arrow point. Then we set the time the heater is required to run by pulling the segments around the outer ring. Forward appropriation to the running periods required, of course. When set, the heater will operate each day during the timer programmed. Note, of course, the heater must always be plugged into a power socket. The element switch must be in the position and the heater is required to run continuously. Slide switches on the timer should be set to the on position. If it is subsequently required to revert back to the timer operation, the slide switch on the timer should be set to the central clock position. When using in the timer mode, due consideration should be given to the fact that the heater may come on whilst unattended, okay? But you can easily program this manually, and then you have fun with this electric heater. And you have an energy-saving heater here with 2000 watt maximum power with turbo fan system by Mia and Coco. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.